Naonet live, un vez abaden vareun de studio Radio Naonet. Ouid la kadaran ur d'ober an aoudegez, gant strolajou son erez, gant arzourezet hag arzourien, gant DJet a DJzet. Ad kavit podcast ar son adegou, varol lerien internet, pik Radio Naonet, pik VZH.
The trees they grew high and the leaves they too grew green. Many is the time my true love I've seen. Many an hour I watched him all along. He's young but he's daily growing. Father, dear father, you've done me great wrong. You have married me to a boy who is too young. I'm twice 12 and he's about 14. He's young but he's daily growing. Daughter, dear daughter, I've done you no wrong. I have married you to a great Lord's son, and he'll be a man for you when I am dead and gone. He's young but he's daily growing. Father, dear father, if you see fit, we send him to college for another year yet. I'll tie a blue ribbon all around his head to let the maidens know that he's married. One day I was looking at my father's castle wall, I spied all the boys playing with the ball, and my one true love, he was the flower of them all. He's young but he's daily growing. And so early in the morning, at the dawning of the day, they went into the hayfield for to have some sport and play. At what they did there, oh no, she never would declare, but she never more complained of his growing. At the age of 14, he was a married man. At the age of 15, the father of my son. At the age of 16, his grave, but it was green, and death had put an end to his growing. I'd buy my love some flannel, I'd make my love a shroud, and every stitch I put in, the tears they pulled down, and every stitch I put in it, how the tears they would flow. Cruel fate has put an end to his growing. Cruel fate has put an end to his growing.